we heard about Cal Landscaping through talking with our neighbors, as well as looking at some of the reviews that we had seen on Nextdoor. Before, in the front, it was almost all exclusively lawn. It was grass with some shrubs and stuff, and we had wanted to make the change to a drought-resistant yard because it just seemed like the responsible thing to do, as well as our water bills were starting to get more and more expensive, and watering grass just didn't seem like the right thing or the practical thing to do. Actual installation went really well. They were pretty fast. It took a few weeks to get done, which was about what they estimated. They were here working almost every day, so you could see continuous progress being made, which was great. And they did a good job of communicating with us each day on what they were doing. I would meet with the lead foreman, and we'd talk for a few minutes, and then their team would go and do their job for the day. It was great. I didn't realize that the amount of drought-tolerant flowers and the variety of them is much more than I expected, and they also just a variety of different types of plants that was surprising as well. So they really helped a lot in selecting some good plants that worked out. That green river that they put in, it turned out nicer than I was expecting. And then in general the amount of different colors and the flowers that came in, they've really bloomed really well, and it's really filled in nicely. You can see that the plants that they still seem real lush and not, like a desert motif, like cactusy or really like hard branchy type of plants. There's not a lot of that here, which is nice. It still feels lush and green, but the amount of water they use is really modest to little. So I would certainly recommend Cal Landscaping for someone else for a few reasons. I like the fact that what they showed as to the design actually turned out in what we see today, which is great. I like that when they started the project, that they continued working on it until it was completed. It did not drag out at all. And they also worked with us as things came up during the project that we needed to make decisions on. They were helpful. They gave us some ideas, different options. They worked with us, and it was a good process all the way around.